Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install DeepSeek on Windows. Alright, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and head over to lmstudio.ai as we are going to be needing this platform. Alright, as you can see here, there's a ton of options right here. For example, for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So we're using Windows, so let's just go ahead and click on the download LM Studio for Windows right here. And the download page will pop up. Just go ahead and start the download. And as you can see, it is only 456 megabytes. All right, let's wait for it to finish. As you can see here, it's almost done. Just go ahead and open up the installer. All right, if it won't automatically run for you, just go ahead and locate your downloads folder. As you can see here, downloads and then programs. Then just double click on LM Studio. All right, just tap on next, install, and again, wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, the process is done. Let's just go ahead and click on finish, and LM Studio will automatically launch. Now, once you're on this page, just go ahead and click on skip on onboarding right here at the top right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and maximize this one. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on this search icon right here, which is discover. Click. As you can see, there are a lot of DeepSeek models right here. Say, for example, we're going to find more DeepSeek models. All right, as you can see here, show one more stuff. As you can see, Distill 7B, Distill DeepSeek R1, which is for Llama 8B, DeepSeek Coder V2 Lite, and DeepSeek Math 7B. All right, let's say for example we're going to install one like this one right here, R1 Distill Quen 7B. Just hit on download right here, and the size will be shown in here as well, 4.68 gigs. Just hit on download. And as you can see here, here's progress bar. Let's just wait for it to finish. All right. And as you can see here, the process is done. All we need to do is just click on load model. All right. As you can see here, it is now loading right here at the top bar. All right. From here, you can rename the chat if you want to. Chat with DeepSeek. Hit enter. And you can type your queries right here. For example, I want to learn Python coding. All right, let's say for example, as you can see here, it is now thinking, and just patiently wait for it to reply. All right, as you can see here, here are the bot's answer. All right, so if you want to change a model, just go ahead and click on this one right here, click, and simply hit on eject. All right, and click on a model, and it will just automatically load. All right, there you have it. Now that's how you install DeepSeek on Windows, which is for free. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.